Right off the top of this video is all about Gluco Balance Advanced Metabolic Support. It's a supplement, it's a pill, and it's a bottle of supplements or pills, basically is what's going on here. It's called Gluco Balance. So if you're looking for Gluco Balance reviews and complaints, Gluco Balance ingredients, whatever it is you're looking for, I have some information I want to tell you. So I saw this going around with a website that claimed this video will be going offline, and it says it's been banned, and there's a Manuka honey discovery that was buried by the diabetes industry, big pharma protecting their profits or whatever is what they claim, and that a top doctor said stop Ozempic, Metformin, and insulins, that the Manuka honey trick, hack, method, ritual, whatever, is the most powerful secret weapon to reverse type 2 diabetes. And what I saw was deepfake marketing, meaning manipulated lip movement, as you can see here now on my screen. They're going to show Dr. Phil, McGraw, Dr. Mehmet Oz, and maybe other people. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people have ever endorsed this Gluco Balance product. And so when I show you this video here in a second, you're going to get a sense of how this is going around, at least from one website. I'm not saying the product itself is a scam. What I am telling you is that this product is being promoted online. Someone's promoting this in a scammy way, scam marketing, whether it is affiliates, whether it is someone misusing the product name for some other reason. This is very scammy. So don't go and buy something because you saw it in a scam funnel. I'm not saying the product is a scam, Gluco Balance. I'm saying there's scam marketing happening out there. So let's take a quick look at the deepfake video, meaning video taken from, looks like Dr. Phil's show and maybe even Dr. Oz's show. I don't know if it shows up here. Of course, they own the rights to their shows, which are not even on the air anymore. And let's hit play and watch.
If I were to die today, I would want every diabetic to know this. A secret that the pharmaceutical industry has hidden from diabetics for decades. For over 10 years of my life, I lived as a slave to metformin. But thanks to the protocol I learned from Dr. Oz, I was able to completely reverse my type 2 diabetes. A natural recipe with Manuka honey, 11 times more potent than metformin. And believe me, this is what brought my glucose down from 300 to stabilize below 110 in a few weeks. I'm talking about something natural that costs less than $1 a day that anyone can make at home and start the reversal protocol today.
So Dr. Oz, Dr. Phil never said the things that you're going to see in this video. It's manipulated lip movement with AI-generated audio, deepfake AI technology. And you might be wondering, why don't they take these videos down? Why don't they go, take legal action? Maybe it's not worth their time and money. Maybe they can't find the people, whatever it is. They're used in a lot of different scams, these two guys. So it's not really a big surprise that this sort of a thing is still out there. This has been going on for years with Dr. Oz and Dr. Phil being featured in scams for products that they have nothing to do with. And so they promised a recipe already with Manuka honey. That is something, Manuka honey's not going to do anything. I had someone, I think from Australia or somewhere in New Zealand, I don't know where it was from. They said, hey, we have Manuka honey here. It doesn't do what they say. Of course, it's just honey. But the promise of a recipe is the classic scam thing where they claim that, you just need to have these household ingredients, these pantry ingredients, an herb, a spice, a vegetable, a fruit, a meat, whatever they call it. And it happens to be a 7-second hack or a 10-second ritual or a 15-second, hack, ritual, method, habit, whatever. It's just buzzword, key phrase things, right? That's all that is. And by the end of the video, you know how they promised you a recipe? They never deliver a recipe. They delivered you a bottle of pills. And in this case, it's going to be Gluco Balance. And so if you're looking around online and you notice that you saw something like this, and it was about Gluco Balance Advanced Metabolic Support reviews, Gluco Balance Advanced Metabolic Support reviews and complaints, ingredients, whatever, it's not legitimate if it goes through a deepfake scam marketing funnel. And so the company behind the product, there's no credible evidence tying them to this marketing. I'm exposing this marketing in an effort to show people that the supposed credible backing that it has from these TV doctors who aren't even on their original shows anymore. I think Dr. Phil has a show on a network or something, but Dr. Oz is not. This is not something that is legitimate, this marketing here.
Exactly, Phil. And I need to make it clear, I'm taking a huge risk by sharing this live. But the truth is that with this recipe made from Manuka honey combined with a specific ingredient, the pharmaceutical industry never wanted it to reach the public. We're not just talking about lowering glucose momentarily. More than 12,000 Americans have not only managed to stabilize their glucose below 100 milligram ODL in a few days by following the complete at-home protocol. They also regained their energy, their vision became clearer, they started sleeping through the night without interruptions, and they eliminated the pain and tingling caused by diabetic neuropathy. All of this in a simple, natural, and safe way without side effects, and most importantly, without the risk of hypoglycemia. The exact opposite of metformin, which deceives patients patients with a sharp drop in glucose, but at the cost of nausea, dizziness, sleepless nights, and a constant fear of not waking up the next day. And the best part is that anyone can start this protocol today.
Many people don't know this, but for many years, I lived as a prisoner of type 2 diabetes. Every day felt like I had been sentenced to death. The blurry vision, the constant fatigue, the fear of losing a foot, a leg, or even my life were part of my routine. I thought...
Look at this. It says at the top, the exact recipe that helped lower my blood sugar by up to 80% will be revealed. You're almost there. Keep going. Liars. The scam marketing people are liars. Of course they're liars. And notice how fast Dr. Phil and Dr. Oz are speaking. That's kind of funny. That's obviously another tell this is not something that is legitimate.
I would never again have the freedom to enjoy simple things like a family dinner, a piece of cake at my grandson's birthday, or even a walk without having to carry medication in my pocket. And all of that changed when I learned about this recipe made with Manuka honey. It's what gave me back my hope and, most importantly, my life. It was like I had been given a second chance to live. Today, I no longer live in fear of out-of-control glucose. I no longer deprive myself of everything I enjoy. I have plenty of energy to be present with the ones I love. And I say this at 75 years old. At this stage of life, I know how precious every day is. So if you are watching this video now, don't make the mistake of closing this page, because what I'm about to reveal could be the difference between living chained to diabetes or winning back the freedom that this disease has been stealing from you day after day. It's a simple combination of Manuka honey with a medicinal Indian leaf.
Imagine having your blood sugar stabilized below 100 without the risk of hypoglycemia within the first 3 days. Imagine waking up full of energy again without that fatigue that seems endless. Imagine looking at your lab results in a few weeks and hearing your doctor say that you no longer need to live as a slave to this disease. That's exactly what happened to Dr. Phil and to actress Kathy Bates, who at 77, in addition to reversing her type 2 diabetes, lost more than 20 pounds without the slightest effort. And it wasn't just them.
Here comes a deep fake with Kathy Bates.
This Manuka honey protocol.
She never said the words you're about to hear.
And reverse their type 2 diabetes naturally and healthily.
One of the most surprising cases is that of Linda Thompson, who came very close to having her foot amputated due to complications from type 2 diabetes. And she is here with us today to tell her own story and prove how this simple recipe with Manuka honey not only completely reversed her type 2 diabetes, but also saved her from the risk of amputation.
My name is Linda Thompson. I'm 63 years old, and I almost lost my foot because of type 2 diabetes. It all started...
All right, so they ended up showing her foot like with holes in it or something. I don't need to show you that. So Kathy Bates, this Linda Thompson supposed person, have nothing to do with this. This is something, again, going around that is called Gluco Balance Advanced Metabolic Support. So if you're looking for Gluco Balance reviews and complaints, Gluco Balance supplements, Gluco Balance pills, Gluco Balance phone number, anything like that. What's happening with this is someone is marketing this. Someone, no credible evidence it's the company, they're marketing this in a scammy way with deepfake AI technology. And they're also claiming on that same page that the New York Times, CBS, ABC, Fox, and CNN had some endorsement or reporting about it. And that is not true either, which is not great. And so, I also did not notice any place to go and contact the company on the website where I just saw that video. And that will then take you to another website that claims that this product, Gluco Balance Advanced Metabolic Support Supplements, are FDA approved. It doesn't even say FDA registered facility, it just says FDA approved, and it's not FDA approved. More scam tactics through this funnel that does not look like it goes to an official website or anything like that at all. And there is no phone number that I see for the supposed company. If you have a phone number, if you ordered this, I'm sorry that you fell for it, but if you do have a phone number on your credit card statement, let us know what that is down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you went through a scam funnel and ordered a medicinal product through scam, by the way, I noticed that metabolism is misspelled on the supposed bottle, which is really great. That's really a lot. It's really trustworthy for people buying it. Call your credit card company if you were defrauded by deepfake scam marketing, and tell them that you want to reverse the charge. And this could come with subscription charges. They could charge you more money than they claimed. They could not allow you to get your money back with the money back guarantee they supposedly offer. I'm not talking about they as in the company. I'm talking about they as in the scammers. So watch out for that. Do not believe in these products that are online that begin with the prefix gluco, glyco, and sugar, because there are so many products and they're mixing and matching the names over and over again, they being scam marketers, to try to get people to order these, and it's not good. So I hope that my videos helped. Like, comment, subscribe, join button is down below, thanks button as well. Go see a doctor. Don't order things online through scam marketing funnels. Definitely don't waste your time taking pills where you can't verify where they're coming from, months, years, and then you go see a doctor and it's too late. That's not good. Do the right thing. Go see a doctor. Ask a friend, a family member. Hey, I don't like my doctor. Who's your doctor? Oh, that sounds like a good doctor. I should go to them. Do that before you go and order something online through a scam marketing funnel. Some people say that doctors are scams. I don't say that. Some people do. Some people say Big Pharma is a scam. No one really likes Big Pharma, I don't think. I can't really tell. But, don't, even if you think that doctors are scams, don't go fall for a textbook online scam. That doesn't do you any better. I hope that I've helped with my advice, with my what I wanted to inform you about this product. Thank you for watching.